Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So I would like to ask you first, do you ever have any difficulty to change the Instagram mode of your account on an iPhone? So yeah, you will not gonna find a switch button for your display mode on Instagram. Even whenever you open your profile, open the settings, you will not gonna see the switch button to change from dark mode into the light mode. So basically, to change the display, you need to do this instead. So let's just take a look on my profile or Instagram display. This one is dark mode, right? I will let to change them become light mode. So you just need to go back into your home screen and open your setting application. Right after that, you just need to scrolling down until you found the display and brightness right here. Go click them. Now you just need to switch from the dark mode into the light mode. So the whole system of the iPhone will change from the dark into the light, as well as the Instagram. So just need to go back into your home screen and open Instagram again. And you will see now my account is already in a light mode. So that is the way, guys, how to change or switch the display on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.